Are lawyer SEO leads any good? We're going to answer that question today. Let's get into it. Okay, I'm Dustin Sanchez, DustinSanchezTV.com, your lawyer marketing expert. A lot of times people try to convince me that SEO leads are not any good. The leads are bad. Nobody wants to spend any money. Everyone who calls wants a free attorney. Everyone who calls wants to pay $200 for a divorce. I'm going to show you why that's not true. I'm going to show you why lawyer search engine optimization leads are some of the best leads you can possibly get. There is only one other lead better than SEO leads. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to show you the only leads that are better than SEO leads. Okay, so let me make my face a little smaller here. And I'm going to bring in another screen. Okay, let's just bring this over here. Let me make myself even smaller. All right. Okay, so here we are. Now, these are screenshots of some of my own clients. Google business search breakdown and performance. Now, why is it a screenshot? Well, because so many of my competitors watch these videos and I can't be giving away all of my clients because next thing you know, they are reverse engineering my process and spamming all of my clients' websites. I don't know why SEO experts do that, but that's what SEO people do. Okay, so the question is this. How are people finding your website? Now, this just happens to be an estate planning attorney in a major city, okay? I'm not going to tell you what city because, once again, I don't want people reverse engineering my process. I don't want people spamming my clients. But what you can see is people are searching estate planning attorney city. Okay, that happened 121 times in this cycle, all right? They're searching for the lawyer's name. They're searching estate planning. They're searching probate attorney. They're searching probate attorney city. Okay, let's imagine this. You are a probate lawyer and somebody who wants to hire a probate lawyer goes to Google and they do a Google search for probate lawyer. And then they get to your probate lawyer website, wherein you offer probate lawyer services. That is the absolute best possible lead, okay? At the end of the video, I'm going to show you one other lead that's even better than that, but for all intents and purposes, the leads do not get any better than that, okay? Let's imagine you are an estate planning lawyer in your city. And every month, 121 people in your city who need an estate planning attorney in your city go to Google and they search estate planning attorney, your city. And then they wind up on your estate planning lawyer website, wherein they discover you are an estate planning attorney in your city, and that you offer estate planning attorney services to people who want estate planning attorney services, and they search for someone who offers estate planning attorney services. The leads do not get any better than that, okay? If you can't make money on these kind of leads, you need to take a long look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, do I want to be an attorney, okay? You need to ask yourself, how many sales books have I read? If you can't close, if you can't get money out of someone who needs the services you offer, goes to Google and searches for the services you offer, and they find you and they call you and they ask you about the services that you offer because they were looking for someone who provides the services that you offer. If you can't make money like that, you can't make money, period. Go back to being an employee. You're not cut out for this. Okay. SEO leads are some of the absolute best possible leads. All right. I'm going to show you shortly the only leads that are better than SEO leads. But for our purposes, they just don't get any better than this. Okay, this is another estate planning attorney in another city. We're going to skip that. Let's go to divorce and family law. Okay. Let's imagine this. Somebody who needs a shovel. Okay. Somebody who needs to buy a shovel goes to Google and they search best shovel near me. And somehow they land on your divorce attorney website. And they pick up their phone and they call your divorce attorney website and they say, yes, I would like to buy a shovel. That is a crappy lead. That is one of the worst leads you can possibly get. But what has happened here, 1,109 times during this cycle, somebody who needed a divorce lawyer in your city went to Google and they typed on their keyboard, divorce lawyer Dallas, or divorce lawyer Miami, or divorce lawyer Philadelphia, what have you. They looked for a divorce lawyer in your city on Google because they needed to hire a divorce lawyer. They found you number one in the Google search results. They clicked on your divorce lawyer website. They read your divorce lawyer website because they were looking for a divorce lawyer. They called your divorce lawyer law firm. They told you they needed the exact services that you offer. The leads do not get any better than that. SEO leads for attorneys are the absolute best leads there are. I'm going to show you in a second the only better leads than this. Okay, but here's what makes a good lead. Okay, relevance, meaning they are looking for the thing that you sell. Relevance. What else makes a good lead? Commerciality, meaning there is money behind the search. Okay. What else makes a good lead? Intent, meaning they are searching with the intent to buy. Somebody searching divorce lawyer near me is looking to give a divorce attorney their money. People don't search that for any other reason. Okay. So you have relevance, you have commerciality, you have intent, which is probably the most important. This is why Google leads are so much better than everything else, because when you're sitting on Instagram watching the latest fitness influencer twerk, you don't have any intent to call or buy from a divorce lawyer. Okay. But when you go to Google and you search divorce lawyer, you have the intent to call a divorce attorney. And finally, the final thing that makes a good lead, okay? I'm going to repeat the first three, and then I'm going to talk about the fourth and final element of a good lead. Number one, relevance. Are they looking for the thing that you sell? Number two, commerciality. Is that a money keyword? For example, if they were searching something like the elements of a negligence case, okay? The elements of a negligence case: duty, breach, causation, damages. That is not, there's no intent to buy there. There's no commerciality to that term. That's not a money term. That's just, I'm looking for information. Maybe I have an essay due in an hour and I need to know the 4 elements of a negligence claim: duty, breach, causation, damages. But if they're searching divorce lawyer near me, there's commerciality behind there. There's money behind that term. They're going to spend money. Okay. Relevance, commerciality, intent. which is probably the most important thing, okay? If I'm scrolling TikTok, and I am mainly on TikTok because I'm bored and I just want to burn some time before I go back to work. And then I see your lawyer advertisement on TikTok and I click on it. I didn't have any intent to buy. I was just perusing TikTok and you entertained me. But if I go to Google and I'm purposefully on Google to do a Google search for divorce lawyer near me, I have intent. I am looking for the services you offer. Relevance. Oh boy, relevance, commerciality, intent. Now, what did I say the last one was? Oh boy, let me think about it for a second. Man, I can't even remember what the last one was. Okay, we had relevance, we had commerciality, we had intent. Oh, urgency. Okay, urgency is the next one. Are they looking to take an action right now? If I'm searching for the 4 elements of a negligence claim, I'm just researching. I don't need to do anything right now. But if I'm searching for car accident lawyer near me, well, gosh darn it, I just got an accident and I need to talk to an attorney right now. If I'm searching divorce lawyer near me, I just got served with divorce papers at my front door and I need to talk to an attorney right now. These are the best possible leads. These leads, there are no better leads. Okay. You can't get billboard ads, television commercials, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, magazine advertisements. No other lead in the world has relevance, commerciality, intent, and urgency behind it. Google search is unique in that aspect. That is why SEO leads are the absolute best leads there are. Now, I'm going to tell you what leads are even better than SEO, because what you see here is the person went to Google and they are looking for keywords. They are looking for search terms. All right. They typed in divorce lawyers city. That's a keyword. They typed in lawyer. That's a keyword. They typed in divorce attorney city. That's a keyword. What would be better than that? What would be better than that is if they knew who you are and they went to Google and they looked for you by name. That is the best possible lead out there. And this is what that looks like. This is a DWI lawyer, one of my clients in a major city. Okay. And we are doing so much brand building. Okay. So much name recognition with this attorney through my Facebook video marketing campaigns that people just go look for him by name. He has replaced the keyword. Okay. When someone in his city gets a DWI, they don't necessarily go search DWI lawyer. They don't necessarily go search criminal attorney. They just go search this lawyer's name, this lawyer's name, this lawyer's name, this lawyer's law firm. Okay. What does that mean? That means they're no longer going to wind up on a page with 10 other DWI lawyers. They're going to go look for that attorney by name, and that attorney is going to be the only attorney in the search results. And when they click on his website and call his phone, there's not going to be any sales process. They've already decided who they're going to hire. They were looking for him. They are now talking to the attorney they were looking for. This is the only lead better than search engine optimization leads. When my brand building efforts on Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and all of their partners make you so popular that you become the search term in the city. Everyone in the city knows who you are and what you do, who you help, and how you help them. So when they are in need of the service that you offer, they don't type in a lawyer keyword. They just go look for you by name. My friend, the leads do not get any better than that. Okay, now, you want to learn more about how I do that, how I make you become the keyword, how I make you lawyer famous in your city. What you need to do is click on justinsancheztv.com/now. Download my free e-course. It tells you all about what's working now in lawyer marketing, how I'm working my magic, and how you can take advantage of some of the DIY, do-it-yourself things in there that anyone can do that absolutely work. Now, maybe you're not a do-it-yourselfer. Maybe you have more money than time, and that's great because I will take your money and make you famous and rank you #1 for your keywords. Hit me up, justinsancheztv.com. Peace out, everybody.